Hi Gemini, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year ahead. May the new year bring in untold blessings into your life. Geminis, like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading. This is the deck that we'll use, and I'll also use a Love Oracle deck. Possibly there'll be some messages from Archangel Raphael deck as well. This is the deck that we have. Geminis, let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into January 2021, we have the Page of Pentacles. In this period, I'm definitely picking up that you had made minor gains. Possibly communication has also increased in this period. Maybe you were sought after on account of your words of wisdom. Anyhow, Geminis are good communicators, but then this was also the period when you felt a lot of strain. Possibly you were under pressure at work or you were overworked. Obstacles to overcome this month, Geminis, we have the Five of Wands. Adaptability or having a flexible approach is the key here for Geminis. You cannot be too rigid if you want to make some headway. Again, communication is going to increase, no doubt. You will also be quite creative. Besides, I'm also picking up that Geminis, you'll be the cynosure of all eyes this month. Sometimes, pending tasks will also take up your time. So maybe you have to focus on also whatever is there. Plus, you have to focus on whatever that's been pending or the backlog. There'll be work offers, but then you should confirm them before you go ahead. Again, you may not like last minute work also, so this could put you off a bit because there'll be times or situations when you will be finding your superior or your boss asking you to attend to whatever she has to say. Influences for the month, we have the Knight of Pentacles. You have to capitalize on the energy flow this month. Sometimes that you may feel as though that you're not making any gains, neither are you making any losses. So the status quo is being maintained. While promoting yourself on the social media, I think Geminis, you should be very careful. Maybe you have to grapple with a lot of issues over there. Some work offers could also come your way in this month, but then they may not excite you that much, so that is why the status quo is going to be maintained. Possibly you're thinking that you're not making any gains, neither are you making any losses. By the way, as a boss also, there may be situations when you may find an administrator asking you to hire a candidate who is known to the administrator, but then you may dilly-dally or you may find the excuse because you feel that this person could always keep an eye on you or keep the management or the administrator informed about the goings on, which is something which you do not want. The first 10 days of January for Geminis, we have the Devil card. I think there is going to be opportunities for you in this period. So even if you're in a philosophical mode or if you have a spiritual bent of mind, you should also focus on work because professional gains are quite likely in this period. Also, I think Geminis, don't get affected by what's going on around you. Rather, you should focus. Sometimes there'll be misunderstandings, so avoid miscommunication, though you are a very good communicator, but then just watch your tongue this month. Some strange people could also be spreading a bad word about you, or they could be bad-mouthing you, so be careful about that. You'll be a bit distracted as well on account of the increased work or on account of increased communication as well. Still, you will manage to complete what you set out to do. Possibly most of the tasks could be done by you. The energy flow is good, like I said, in this period, so you should ink deals very quickly. And also you should take the advance before you commit to any work. Those who are at the helm of affairs, I think you'll be quite gruff in this period. You are not going to put up with people who have an unprofessional attitude, especially those workers who misbehave could also be sacked. To 20th January, we have the Eight of Pentacles. So this is a time to polish your skills or to enhance your skill set. This is also the time when you need to collaborate with other people, collaborate with your colleagues. Your creativity and skills will be recognized, and you may even come away bagging accolades, or maybe you could be feted for your achievements. In this period, paperwork is also going to increase, or technical work could be there, which could take most of your time. Those who are waiting for opportunities or for work offers, I think you should bide your time. Also, while dealing with clients, like I said, you should stick to your guns, because the client will come around. Maybe you think that the client is haggling with you, or the client wants you to make allowances where money is concerned, but I think that you should stay firm, because you will end up getting what you want. Towards the final days, 21st to 31st January, we have the moon card. Maybe there's going to be confusion with respect to work or with respect to your personal life. Also, you may want to connect with somebody whom you have feelings for in this period. Maybe there will also be dreams that you have to deal with. Largely, I think Geminis will be quite intuitive in this period. For some of you, I'm also picking up that your health could be an issue. There could also be travel plans. Your creativity will also be noticed by other people. In fact, this is something which is recurring throughout the month. There'll be sudden developments, no doubt, so keep persisting with your goals. Your social circle will also widen this month. Maybe I'm also picking up that for some of you, you're going to work on your home environment, or there could be home improvements. Maybe you're decluttering your space, or you're decluttering or doing away with people whom you no longer need in this life. Also, Geminis, it would be prudent to listen to the viewpoint of others before you go ahead and make any decisions. With respect to matters of the heart, we have the card separation. So maybe this is something with respect to the moon card over here, because there's confusion with respect to your love life. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be a physical distance with your person, so that kind of separation or the pangs of separation is something that you have to deal with. Those who are crushing on someone, I think those Geminis who are in love with somebody, maybe you feel that the person is disinterested. Even if you're communicating with the person, you realize that the person doesn't have any feelings for you. He makes it plain that he doesn't have time for attachments. Maybe that is why this is like a bolt from the blue. This could upset you or unsettle you a bit. Nonetheless, Geminis, I'm also picking up that there could be marriage proposals on matrimonial sites or on dating sites. Maybe you should also work on your dating skills. Maybe sometimes you may feel that you're not ready. Those who are romancing, there'll be those times when you could have quarrels with your person. Maybe you will ignore each other's phone calls because you feel you have been ignored, so you're going to do, or vice versa. This is something which you need to handle. Later on, you will realize it was foolish to do so, because there's so much to talk, besides there's hardly any time. Some Geminis may also be discussing your future plans with your lover with respect to your life together. Nonetheless, there are going to be obstacles. Maybe there's going to be family opposition also that you have to deal with. This could create some kind of mental trauma for you, so this could also lead to confusing times. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be unwanted attention, so some people could equate you with sex, so this could also leave you a bit disturbed. Marriage Geminis, I think you're going to deal with a fishy partner this month. His fluctuating moods or his temperament could also be suspect. Sometimes you may feel that outsiders are meddling in your relationship, or somebody who's younger than you is meddling in your affairs. That is why there's disharmony in your marriage life. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you need to respect yourself, because domestic violence could also be an issue here. Don't put up with abuse of any kind. Even you should be tolerant of your person. Sometimes, the devil card could also imply that it's an oppressive marriage. So you should do away with these chains. In case you're in an extramarital relationship, I think you'll be perplexed, because your person may talk vaguely about your future. Other than that, Geminis, I'm also picking up that strange people could also enter into your life this month. Another card we have here is Ladybug Luck. Geminis, you can expect some good luck this month, maybe good things, because the ladybug is a symbol of good luck. It also brings in gifts. So maybe somebody is going to be generous towards you. From Archangel Raphael, I have the card Changing Physicians. Like I said, towards the end of this reading, you need to be careful about your health. So Archangel Raphael is asking you to have a second opinion with respect to matters of health or with respect to somebody's health. Another thing I'm also picking up, maybe you need to change your medicines as well. Some of you could benefit on account of alternative healing practices as well. So that you should have an open mind with respect to that. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week with respect to your love life. So have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.